Good morning, everyone. With an area of low pressure working over us today, a good chance of snow in the region. So let's walk you through the day hour by hour. The driest part of the day actually looks like early this morning, 8 a.m., just isolated snow showers and flurries in the region, but a better chance in and around Chicago. So if you're driving into the city, this looks like a morning where you could start out dry in the region, but then encounter some snow as you get towards downtown Chicago. What we're going to see is the activity really filling in during the morning hours, and the peak for us looks like noon, 1 o'clock today. We are going to be covered then in light to moderate snow. So today is looking like a good day to pack the lunch. So you don't have to venture out into the snow around lunchtime. By the time we get to 4 o'clock, some gaps are developing past the peak of the activity, but still, as you're driving home from work today, quite likely that you're going to be encountering some light snow. Don't look for temperatures to rise very much today. Highs only around 33, 34 degrees, and not feeling quite that warm because it is going to be breezy. Gusts around 20 miles per hour. Now, by the time we get to the early evening hours, here we are at 8 o'clock, just isolated snow showers and flurries, so significant gaps showing up. And then by the time we get to midnight, I think the activity is mainly going to be limited in our classic lake effect area, northeastern Porter County and northern LaPorte County, where it's probably going to linger for quite some time through the rest of the overnight hours and maybe as late as 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. But I do think by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, we will be completely dry in the region. Snowfall totals looks pretty uniform across the area. I think most of us are going to see a quarter of an inch to a half an inch. I will mention there could be a few spots, particularly in northeastern Porter County and northern LaPorte County, that could see up to an inch, but I do think that is going to be rare. It does look better for Friday. I still think a cloudy day, but at least a dry day. We might see a little bit of sun peek through by the late afternoon, but I do think the clouds are going to win out. Temperatures are going to be very similar to today, around 33, 34 degrees, and just a light breeze, gusts around 15 miles per hour.